is the heart of nurturing strong relationships. It enables individuals to recognize their own emotions and those of others, facilitating better communication and understanding. Through empathy, one can connect deeply, paving the way for respectful dialogues and mitigating conflicts before they escalate. Cultivating self-awareness allows individuals to manage their own emotional responses, creating an atmosphere of patience and calm. In practice, effective emotional intelligence fosters a culture of trust and transparency. When people feel safe to express their feelings, relationships blossom, anchored by mutual respect. It empowers individuals to support one another, highlighting the importance of active listening and validation in problem solving. Ultimately, the ability to emotionally engage with others enriches personal connections and professionally influences teamwork. By harnessing emotional intelligence, we unlock the door to fulfilling and successful relationships across all areas of life.